MBA admits from London Business School, Michigan Ross, as well as Indian School of Business. After I had taken the classroom course at Top GMAT, I scored a 770. So the content was very good in the sense that they were able to break down the GMAT and tell us that these are the topics that are generally more difficult. These are the difficult questions that come in. I think the 700, 800 modules are one of the best resource that I found, simply because the OG or the other material generally caters to a very wide audience, right? A wide audience which has aspirations from a 600 to a 750 to a 780, and because of that, the question mix that they have, traditional sources, is not focused on the more difficult questions. I had practiced the latest module, the 700, 800 module, and these modules exposed me to a certain level of questions, right, which are 700 plus, and thus during the exam there was no question that I felt was new, or I would say radically different in its approach, in the sense that I didn't know what to do with it. I got the 770, and I would say that Top GMAT structured approach to its coaching module, the fact that they help you provide those traps, which is the C trap, etc., helps you understand and avoid the basic pitfalls. Finally, they have a set of really difficult questions. Highly recommend Top GMAT for the GMAT coaching as well as for the counseling. The first round, I had taken the help of an international consultant, and I had a very bad experience with that person. Hence when I came on board with Autry, I was fairly skeptical of the value that an admissions consultant can add. I thought that generally it's just some information arbitrage that these consultants are doing. And that is why I was kind of surprised by the kind of value that Autry was able to add to my entire application process. Because not only was he editing essays, which is a major part, but he was also providing strategic inputs. And that was critical for me. Those strategic inputs helped me understand how to leverage my strengths, mitigate my weaknesses, and how to just think about me as a person while I am writing my application. It's not about just answering those essays in isolation. It's about thinking an overall theme, and then weaving your life and your achievements within that theme in order to create a coherent application, right? So I think that is one of the biggest value adds, which is the practical advice, the strategic inputs that he gives regarding the application process. And apart from that, it doesn't only stop when you're writing the essays, right? Once that happens, then comes the interview process. And I had mock interviews with Autry, wherein he asked me, first of all, he gave me a list of commonly asked questions, and then we practiced each of those questions, in which he gave me critical inputs, about not only my content but also my structure and how my presence in front of the interviewer, right? And of course this helped a whole lot, and because of that, I think a critical value that I saw was that during the interview process, I wasn't nervous, I wasn't fidgety. I knew what the questions would be like. I knew my story, I knew it in and out, and I knew how to drag the interview where I wanted it to go. In the sense that, if there is a certain thing that I have to talk about in the interview, I'll find a way to do that, because in my discussions with Autry, he told me that, hey, these are certain things which an interviewer should know, and these are generally the questions that are asked which can help you do it. At the same time, you just keep it at the back of your mind that these are certain things that could help you, right? So, just to summarize, he provides strategic inputs. He helps you understand your strengths, how to leverage them, what are your weaknesses, how to mitigate them, and makes you think of your application like a coherent story, right? Like a coherent story in which your achievements, your career, etc., is weaved into, right? And it's not incidental. And hence I would highly recommend Autry to anyone who's looking for an MBA abroad, because he also has a lot of context on what the adcoms are thinking about, unlike most people, I have worked with more than one consultant, and hence I have the benefit of comparison, which is why I'm saying that I would recommend Autry.